Welcome to instructional videos. Today we are going to set up the economy retractor. So first thing you want to do is remove all the parts from this convenient carry case. So first thing I'm going to do is rotate the feet on my base so that they are perpendicular with my display. So I'm just going to rotate the feet. Next, I'm going to connect together the shock-corded pole. So I'm just going to insert the pole into itself. Then I'm going to insert the pole into the hole located on the back of the display. Once I have my pole inserted, I'm just going to pull up on the snap rail and insert it onto the top of my pole. So as I pull up on the snap rail, I'm just going to tilt back my display and then insert the snap rail onto the top of my pole. And it's just that easy to set up your economy retractor.